Viewers, welcome to Mura's Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make pineapple chicken. It's very simple, very easy and very quick to make. To make pineapple chicken, you need some garlic, onion, you need some red pepper or green pepper, whatever you got, some pineapple, and of course you need some corn flour, salt, dark soy sauce, a little bit of fish sauce. Viewers, let's start. First of all, we need a wok. We put some oil in a pan. We'll put our chicken. Viewers, we're going to add a little bit of sugar with it. Pinch of salt. Now we're going to add our garlic, onion, red capsicum, and the pineapple. Viewers, we're going to add a little bit of vinegar to it, just to deglaze the pan. Viewers, we are nearly there. The chicken is nearly cooked. My pineapple is nearly cooked. Look at that, the beautiful color contains. Okay, now we're going to add a little bit of, this is the light soya. What does the job for the salt? We're going to add some dark soya, which one does the color. Tiny bit of fish sauce. Viewers, now what we're going to add? We're going to add 1 tablespoon of corn flour with half a cup of water. Then we're going to add some fresh coriander. If you want some chili, feel free to use it now. Viewers, my pineapple chicken is ready. Now we're going to serve it.